The next episode is ready. Three fighter now. Green come from Binalew and the colorist is come from Peña, Barangay Peña, and the one is of course Barangay Malayog. The one is lost the Timon, the guide. The guiding bar. So to fighter now is have the one from Binalew and the one come from Barangay Peña and the Barangay Malayo because of the guiding bar was lost or separate of the body, so that's the one is behind now. But the ones coming 2 times round of the Malina. Usa kalibot na naron, usa kalibot. Awa pa mag usa kalibot. Usa pa. Oh, the one behind was behind, but now she's
Timon, tanggal po Timon. Ang Timon na to. Tanggal Timon.
oh, ang Timon ang problema.
Ang Timon na, ang Timon.
That's the guide bar was lost again. So that's the problem.
Timon na Timon.
No match. The one fighters is I think no match because of the guide bar was always trouble.
Tanggal po Timon.
So that's a big problem. The faster boat, but problem is the guide bar was always lost. Nice. So very faster. But the problem is the guide bar is so always separate of the body. So that's the problem of the one fighter. But the two fighter is always close of the fight. always close of the fight because they all machinery on tools is good condition. The problem one boat is always take away the guide bar. So that's why the problem. So very faster they advance.
Oh, lima kang nagana ako.
So that's the but the two
Ang galing.
Pinsotes lang ang dahilan. Na-perde sa may dahilan, kailangan ma-perde may dahilan. May rason gihapon nga manaperde. Nadal, may rason gihapon.
so almost finished.
Oy, naruna na. Oy, Dol, bayan na Dol. Dol, bilis na Dol.
Almost on the finishing line.
Boss,
So the finishing flag, that's
Pino.
winning came from Barangay Piña. The second came from Barangay Binaliw. And the last from
Okay.
Pamaligte.
her of our Barangay Malayo.
Ang kay kapitan, ang usa.
That's on of our Barangay Captain Salvador L. Planque.
Ang sunod na to. Tikas ko usa.
So that's the excitement of our pista here of our Barangay Malayog, Calbayog City, Western Summer. Of course, there's so many witness of the event. So that's our. Okay, thank you. Bye.